Hey guys, RiverUp7 here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today we're going to be opening up two Hot Wheels 3-packs that we got for gifts today. The first one, this one's mine. This has 3 cars in it, including a C3 Corvette, You're So Fast, and a Hot Wheels Dune Buggy or like Rat VW Beetle, which is pretty cool. I'd like to open this one up. As you can see, we got our little St. Patrick's Day setup. I don't know how to open
We got this from our mom, by the way.
I don't know how to open these. I think that's how I do it. Alright. You can see them right in there. First up, we got the VW Beetle. I thought this one's really cool because it has a matte blue, or it's like kind of pastel blue paint job, and awesome pinstripes and Hot Wheels and like the, I'm not sure what font that is, but you see that on these kind of cars.
And they have the same design as Hammer Cooper in the back.
You mean the split window?
Yeah, split windows.
It's a really cool car. Has a little roof rack. It's really nice looking. And next up, we got this You're So Fast. We already have this exact car. Yeah. But it is a great track car. I like the gray wheels. You don't see that much.
Cool extra, just in case if one breaks off the track.
Yeah. You're So Fast is a really good car.
This one's my favorite one that my brother got.
Yeah, this one's my favorite one too. This is a, I don't know what year this is. I think it's a 69. No, this is a 1969 Corvette. Really cool flame decals with the chrome exhaust. Orange linings around the rims and an orange Hot Wheels logo with yellow windshield. Really cool looking car. I had one of these for a long time growing up. It was black with yellow stripes, and it was one of my favorite cars, but it's not cool. I got another one. So now you're gonna open up yours.
Alright, I just realized something.
What?
All my cars have green, just like St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, my favorite one is this one. So, anyway, let's get the opening.
Formula Solar?
Yeah. I don't really know any of these cars' names.
Formula Solar is cool. Every single iteration of them looks like a treasure hunt. It's really unique.
Basically, you actually know almost every car's name. Alright, so...
That noise is the dog is drinking.
Yep.
So, first up, is this the least favorite out of them?
Yeah, my least favorite one.
This is a new Volkswagen Beetle, the new generation. Actually, they're going to completely stop producing these. I just read.
Now you know what my first favorite is, my second favorite is, now my third
favorite. It says it's a 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. Looks actually really nice in a metallic green and beige interior. It's actually a really cool looking car.
I don't think we have that. So second,
you got Rip Rod. This is an awesome new car that they have. This one's glow in the dark wheels, I think, and they really advertised this one a lot in the Hot Wheels World's Best Driver movies in its black and red color scheme. This one is actually the exact paint scheme from the video game Hot Wheels Race Off, which is cool if you play that. I'm going to leave this in the light so I can get the wheels to glow. And you can talk about Formula Solar.
Okay, so this is my favorite one. My favorite part is these wheels, and it's like clear green where I think you can. Whoa!
What?
No. You can do that. I didn't even know.
It's a solar panel.
So you can just see the inside of it, like it's like a electrical car, and you can just close it, I think. And then you can just see this part. It looks like what's this thing? Spoiler, right?
I don't even know what that is. It might just be something for aerodynamics.
Looks like a spoiler in the back.
This is the first time I think I've ever seen these wheels before.
And they have X on it, like on these for the decals. It's not a bad car, but that's just my favorite one.
Paint scheme, and I think you can do this in all of them. But you can see the solar panels or the circuit board, whatever this is. Pretty cool car. Ooh. We have every Formula Solar iteration they've made so far because I really like the car. And it's really fast in the 6-lane Speedway if you ever tried it with these skinny wheels. Not a lot of friction. And it's metal based, so the car is relatively heavy, and it's just a really good combination for downhill speed. So
that car might be very fast.
It is very fast. But yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye.
Bye.